Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are dealing with the monograph of some important chemicals in pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry. At the end of the video, we get the information about the monograph of some chemicals. The first chemical or drug, it is a sodium citrate. It is a sodium salt of citric acid, means it is a salt form of citric acid. Then preparation reaction. Sodium citrate is prepared by combination of citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. Then we get sodium citrate. Assay. The assay of sodium citrate is performed by potentiometrically. Titrant. 0.1 normal perchloric acid is used as a titrant for performing the assay of the sodium citrate. Then there is no use of indicator in the assay or during titration procedure of sodium citrate. Use. It is used as a buffer solution, systemic antacid, mean anticoagulant, expectorant and systemic alkalize. The second chemical is calcium carbonate. The synonyms of calcium carbonate is precipitated chalk. The assay of calcium carbonate is performed by the complexometric titration. Preparation reaction. Calcium carbonate is prepared by the treated with sodium carbonate with calcium chloride to get the calcium carbonate and two molecules of sodium chloride. The indicator used in this assay is Calcon mixture and the modern black. Endpoint. There is blue color is obtained at the end of the titration. The conversion of pink color to blue color, it is the end point of this assay. Then uses. Calcium carbonate, it is used as a dentrifices, antacid with magnesium supplement and calcium supplement. This is about the calcium carbonate. Third compound is copper sulfate. The synonyms of copper sulfate is blue vitriol, cupric sulfate, cupric vitriol or simple blue. Then preparation reaction. Copper sulfate is prepared by the sulfuric acid treated with the copper in the presence of oxygen. We get copper sulfate. The assay of copper sulfate is performed by the redox titration. Titrant used for assay procedure is sodium thiosulfate. The starch is indicator which is used during the titration procedure. Endpoint. Faint blue color is appear at the end of the titration. Use. Copper sulfate, it is used as an emetic antidote for phosphorus poisoning. Astringent means protein precipitation, fumicide or fungicide. Then copper sulfate is an ingredient of Benedict's and Fehling solution. Then next is kaolin. The synonym of kaolin is china clay, natural clay or hydrated aluminum silicate. It is the hydrated form of aluminum silicate. It is a lightweight and fine particle size. The assay of kaolin is performed by ICP AES for aluminum and silicon, means it is a spectroscopically technique. Then use. It is used as an adsorbent in diarrhea, chronic ulcerative colitis and dusting powder. It is kaolin, it is also used as a filtering medium. Fifth is ammonium chloride, that is NH4Cl. The synonym of ammonium chloride is sal ammonium chloride or ammoniac. The assay of ammonium chloride is performed by acid-base titration, that is neutralization reaction. The phenolphthalein is an indicator used in the assay of ammonium chloride. The titrant used in the assay procedure is sodium hydroxide solution. Use. It is used as a expectorant, systemic acidifier and diuretic. Last is ferrous gluconate. It is a dextro form of gluconic acid or iron salt in the ratio of 2:1. Then preparation reaction. Ferrous gluconate is prepared by the reaction between calcium gluconate and ferrous sulfate to form ferrous gluconate and calcium sulfate. The assay of ferrous gluconate is performed by the complexometric titration. The indicator used for this assay is ferroin sulfate. Endpoint: orange red to pale green or blue color is obtained at the end point of the titration. Use: it is used as a hemantonic in the tablet or elixir. Ferrous gluconate tablets is also used. Causes less side effect than the other ferrous salt. Thank you.